Good morning, students. Today is Tuesday, 25th August 2020, and today we are going to revise the topic of contractions. Alright, children, as you know that nowadays we are revising and recalling all of the taught topics जो हमने अपने यूनिट्स में स्टडी किए, लर्न किए, सब टॉपिक्स को हम रिवाइज कर रहे हैं और उनको रिकॉल कर रहे हैं. Why? Because we are going to conduct our online first term examination in the first week of September. So for this regard हम क्या कर रहे हैं, अपने सारे टॉपिक्स को जो हमने स्टडी किए हैं, लर्न किए हैं, हम उनको रिवाइज कर रहे हैं through practicing through practice these worksheets. Alright, yesterday we practiced the topic of pronoun. कल हमने pronoun का topic practice किया था और हमने उससे related worksheet practice की थी and उसमें हमने सारे pronouns को highlight किया था, underline किया था. Alright, and today we are going to practice the topic of contractions. Alright, हमने अपना ये topic contractions का जो था इसको हमने अब practice किया था on workbook page number 18. You see, this one is the topic of contraction on page number 18. हमने इसको यहाँ पे attempt किया था. You see, these are the contractions and apostrophe is used here because all the contractions are represented by using this one punctuation mark that is called apostrophe, and these are the full forms. हमने यहाँ पे इसको mention भी किया था. You see, contractions are the short forms, right, and these are the full form. So let's revise this again. यहाँ पे हमारे पास A to O contractions given थी और हमने इनके full forms को write किया था. Contractions को हम identify कैसे करते हैं? We identify the contraction with the help of this one punctuation mark that is called apostrophe. It is very much similar to comma, but it's not totally similar. ये मिलता है इसका shape, but actually apostrophe क्या है? Comma जो है वो down side पे आता है, but you see this one apostrophe up side पे है, right? So a comma down side पे आता है, नीचे आता है, downwards आता है, but you see this one is the comma. You see, this one is the comma, but this punctuation mark is called apostrophe. So let's begin practicing contractions. Alright, contractions mean short forms. So इसका other name क्या है? Short form. You see this one list, you see these are the contractions and you are asked to write down full form of these contractions. So let's read the statement. Write these in full form. Alright, these are the contractions और हमसे ये कहा जा रहा है कि आप इनको फुल फॉर्म में राइट करें. राइट, एक साइड पे आपके पास कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस हैं. यू सी, ये सारी साइड आपके पास कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस हैं और यहाँ पे आपके पास ब्लैंक्स हैं और आपने इन ब्लैंक्स पे क्या करना है? इन कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस की फुल फॉर्म राइट करनी है. आई एम, व्हाट इज़ द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ आई एम? आई एम इज़ द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ आई एम. ऑलराइट, कॉन्ट्रैक्शन में यू सी जहाँ पे भी कॉन्ट्रैक्शन आएगी और अपोस्ट्रोफी होगा वो डिनोट करता है यहाँ पे कोई लेटर है जो ओमिटेड है, कोई ऐसा लेटर विच इज़ ओमिटेड हियर जिसको यहाँ से हमने एक्सक्लूड किया है और उसकी जगह पे हम क्या करते हैं? वी पुट एन अपोस्ट्रोफी. यू सी, आई एम, लेट मी शो यू क्लोजली. आई एम. सो यू सी यहाँ पे क्या, कौन सा लेटर है जो मिसिंग है? कौन सा लेटर है जो ओमिटेड है? दैट इज़ ए. सो आफ्टर आई वी पुट apostrophe that denotes that there is an alphabet which is omitted, and that is A. I'm, I am. I've, I have. H is omitted now, so that's why we put apostrophe here. Don't, do not. So which letter is omitted here? O. You see, D-O-N, O. O is omitted here, so after N we put apostrophe. Then write T. Do not, don't, do not. It's, it is. Want, will not. Want is the short form, right, and will not is the full form. So we can say that want is the contraction and will not is the full form of want. Isn't is the negative because it is denoting is not. Isn't is not. You see which one letter is omitted here? It's O. Isn't, is not. Can't, again it's negative because यहाँ पे not आएगा. T जहाँ पे भी होगा और N and T वो represent करता है negative को. Will not, is not, cannot. I'll, I will. I'll is the short form of I will. So what is omitted here? Which letter is omitted here? It's W. It's W, right? W-I. I will. So let's repeat, let's review all of the contractions and their full forms. You see यहाँ पे आपको हर contraction के opposite में एक blank दिया हुआ है और आपने इसको fill up करना. That's how you will practice at home. I'm, I am, I've, I have, don't, do not, it's, it is, won't, will not, isn't, is not, can't, cannot, I'll, I will. You see, it's and isn't. It is not. So, isn't is the negative. Alright, there are some other examples of contractions. Let's take a look at those examples at workbook page number 18. You see, I'm, I've, I'll, won't, don't, can't, couldn't, shouldn't. Couldn't is also negative. Couldn't, could not. Shouldn't, should not. It's, it is, we've, we have. You'll, you will. It'll, it will. There, they are. There is the contraction of they are. So what is the full form of there? They are. There, they are. Isn't, is not. Mustn't, must not. Right? So again it is negative. Must not. So that's how these are the contractions and you will write down the full form of these contractions. Alright. Well children, this is how you have to practice the worksheet of contractions and I hope that आप इसे learn करेंगे and after learning you have to practice this one worksheet. This one worksheet is uploaded in the folder of notes, the Smart School के ऐप में notes के folder में. After watching the video you will go in the folder of notes, वहाँ पे ये upload हुई हुई है. Please इसे download कीजिएगा and after downloading आपने इसे अपनी notebook में और रफ रजिस्टर्स पे wherever you are doing your practice work आप इसको प्लीज़ प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा. बट मेक श्योर while practicing this आपने इसके फुल फॉर्म को राइट करते हुए नेगेटिव्स एंड अपॉस्ट्रोफी के साथ ये केयरफुली प्रैक्टिस करना है कि कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस में फुल फॉर्म को कैसे राइट करना है. आई एम श्योर दैट आप इसको एक्यूरेटली प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग. लुक आफ्टर योरसेल्फ.